Hi guys, welcome to my online data academy. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the if function in Excel. If function is a very common and popular function which is very useful in many contexts. You can use that for a comparison, or you can use that to check whether a certain condition is met or not, or you can use it many ways. In today's video, I am going to give you a basic understanding of what is if function and show and I will try to explain the logic behind the if function and show how you can use it in different contexts. So let's go to our first example here. In this table, I have listed down names of some students and how many mark each student have achieved in different subjects. In this example, what we need to do is we have to identify whether these students have passed the subject or failed the subject. To do that, one way you can do it is you can go one by one manually and check whether these students have achieved pass marks, which is 50 or not. But if this table is very long one and it will be a very time consuming and very boring task. But instead of that, you can use if function, which is very instant and quick. Before we go and do it practically here, I will try to explain you what is the logic behind the if function. In here, you can see the what is the format of the if function. So there are mainly three parts to the if function, and each part is separated by this little comma. So in this first part, you have to type the condition you are going to check. So in this case, the condition is we need to check whether the marks are greater or equal to 50. So that is the condition we are going to check. And in this part, you have to type the value you would like to display if this condition is not met. So in this case, we need to display pass if these students have achieved more than 50. So in here, you have to type the value you would like to display if this condition is met. So which is in this case, which is pass. And in this final part, you have to write down the value you would like to display if this condition is not met. So in this case, it is fail because we need to display fail if this student haven't achieved 50 marks. So let's go and do it. So to insert a function, you have to type equal mark, and then you have to type the function. So without type in here, I am using this insert function this tab and click here. So I will get this dialog box. So you can use this section here to search for different functions. So I can type if and go, and it will highlight the if function, and I can click OK here, and it will give you a different a dialog box which contain arguments for if function. So you can see there are mainly three arguments for this function. As I told before, there are mainly three parts. So in this first part, which is logical test, you have to type the condition you are going to check. So in this case, we are going to check whether the marks is greater or equal to 50 or not. To do that, you can see the marks in this table. Marks are listed in column C. So you have to type C here, and first row is 3. So it should greater or equal to 50. So this is the condition we are going to check. So if this condition is met, we would like to display pass in this column. So you have to write down pass here. So and in this final part, you have to write down fail because we need to display fail if these students haven't achieved the pass marks. And you can just click OK. So now you can see this formula is instantly applied to all of this row automatically. And if you go to this one here, Tim has got 64 marks and he has passed the subject, but Peter only got 48 marks and failed the subject. if we go further down here, Anne has got 50 marks because and she has passed the subject because she has just achieved the pass mark. So you can see it is very simple and easy. So if we go to the second example, in this table I have listed budgeted daily energy usage and actual daily energy usage in different days in July month. So in this example, what we need to do is we have to identify whether the actual has exceeded the budget or not. If the actual is exceeded, we need to display yes here. If not, we have to display no here. So to do that, you can just go and press this mouse until you familiarize with if function, and until you are able to type directly here, you can use this function here, and already function is selected here, so you can press OK. And in this first part, the logic test, you have to type the condition. So in this example, the condition is that we are going to check is we need to check whether the actual exceed the budget. So we have to check whether the C column is greater than B. So we have to type that here. So C first row is 3 greater than B 3. So this is the condition we are going to check. And in this box we have to write down yes, because type yes because we need to display yes if the actual is exceed the budget, and we type no here because we need to display no if this actual hasn't exceed the budget. So if this condition is met, we display yes. If this condition is not met, we display no. Press OK. So you can see here in the actual usage is 7 megawatt hours, but the budgeted is 10 megawatt hours. So the actual is not exceeded, so answer is correct. So you can copy this formula down by just you can go and you can go onto this little square here and just go and double click. It will automatically copy to the all cells until end. If not, you can go here and you can just drag this formula down here. I think you now have a good understanding of how you can use if function, and you can see it is very easy and very quick. So you try to use this function by yourself in different contexts and improve your understand. And if you like this video, please press like button and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next video.